It is time for After School Drift Club, Volume 4.
I've crashed the drone. Can you get them to stop?
Safe!
You're right, that was about me! You're right!
Afternoon guys, welcome to Driftland TV. So this episode is going to be After School Drift Club Volume 4. We're going to take part in here. I have chosen some drivers at the briefing today. They didn't seem too happy about it. Good. Rory D is going to take part, so I kind of volunteered him because he brought his drift car today. He is going to be one of our competitors. So the other three are going to be number one, Stuart Adsley is going to take part in his IDC car. He's taking part in IDC or Drift Games National Series. So Stu, our first competitor, I assume we were going to see him in the final, and he is going to go up against Ben. So Stu versus Ben Powys. So a tough battle for Ben to start with. And then we've got Rory versus James Cunningham. So that is battle number 2. Stuart versus Ben, Rory versus James. We're going to do the British Drift Championship layout. They're going to get a semi-final each, one practice, 2 judged runs. Each of them gets a shot leading and chasing, and then a grand final with no practice, straight into it. I'm hoping to see Rory in the final. A big talk from the man and his new YouTube channel. Brought the car here with a new paint job. It's looking nice. Is he going to put it on the door of Stuart Adsley to get started with in the final? Hopefully. Stu versus Rory final, that would be good. I would be up for After School Drift Club final of Volume 4 to be Rory D versus Stuart Adsley, but can Ben Powys and can James Cunningham put a little bit of a spanner in the works? It sounds like it's 3 o'clock, the track is just quieting down here. It is time for After School Drift Club Volume 4.
Yo, Rory Drift, or Rory's Drift, I'm going around here so I can see your lovely face. Do you want to have a chat to some of these guys and see how they feel about taking part today?
How do you feel about taking part?
Feeling confident?
No. That?
No?
Feel alright?
Feeling alright?
Nah, can go wrong.
What can go wrong? Loads can go wrong, mate, don't even.
So, I'm going to be doing my first ever battle in the S14, which means Ren and Jeek are going to be commentating this, which means it's going to be shite!
So who's battling? Who's battling who? You two are battling?
Aye.
And me and you? Right, okay.
Rich, you've not thought this through, have you?
No, I have a fuck. Ben,
Aye.
semi-final. Remember, 1 practice, 2 judged. Your lead is defined by who gets there first.
No eyes.
You've got a smashing army helmet on, so that's going to lead you probably into victory, no doubt. If you hear an S54 about here, you know who it's going to be. You're the bookie's favourite, and you have pink harnesses which are quite sexy, so well done. Enjoy. You're just relaxing, taking a wee chill just now. You've got it all to do. Remember, it's 1 practice, 2 judged. For your practice, whoever gets there first gets to choose if they're lead or chase.
Right.
Rory's got a nice shiny car, so if you feel like driving into it a bit, then he will grass up on you on his YouTube channel. His many subscribers will come and go, James, you're so rubbish. So enjoy. You're gonna have a good time now, being on the other side of the camera.
I'm shitting a brick.
Yeah, I would be too.
Yeah.
I would be too, especially if you get through and then get Adsley.
Oh, he's in the middle.
Who's in the middle? Look at all my lovely marshals. So many lovely marshals. Yeah, that's a bit of a sexy addition to the team today. That is lovely.
Keep my hair in check.
Exactly. You don't want to get a bit of a sexy tan on there. You want to keep
No,
it.
no,
You want to give the ladies a bloody chance, eh?
No, I'm 2 colours, white and red.
So who's in the middle?
Me.
Get in the middle, you. Get in the fucking middle. Go. Fuck off. Get in the. Go. Go. Go on, Stuart McClellan replica down here with me and danger yourself.
Replica?
Yeah.
Yeah, jump one of a kind.
So, are you saying that Stuart is a Derek Kilpatrick replica?
Maybe not that bad.
Except, the thing is, you've also got an imitation Jeek beard. Look at that.
Imitation Jeek beard.
Imitation Jeek beard. That is impressive, and
his
to be
beard's
honest,
older
that's
than me.
impressive too. You're very lifelike, both of you.
We're very lifelike.
What
We're very
with you
well
nearly
made in
being
China, yeah?
nearly being actual people?
Almost.
Are we ready at the top?
Do you feel ready, Derek?
I'm never ready.
Never ready. Drone man, the drone pilot, the guru, he's ready.
Drone
Derek,
ready. There you go, Top Gun.
Derek, tell them
Yes.
they're ready, tell them to send it.
Send it.
So this is practice. Practice.
Practice.
They can do what they like here, basically.
And say there might be a totally bit of a difference.
That's a wee totty bit, that's the
Aye.
exact measurement.
Aye,
We get
aye.
to score this, by the way.
Oh Christ.
That was just the practice though, so but you and me are the official judging team, so that's
Alright.
good. Yeah. Imagine
That
all
could go well.
the heights you get elevated to as a Driftland Marshal these days.
We're ready when you
Well,
are,
that's
guys.
it. That's
Right, I'm ready if you're ready, Derek.
You ready?
Yeah.
Send it.
First actual battle.
I've crashed the drone. Can you get them to stop?
No, but Derek can. Derek, we need a hold in the track because there's been a crash.
You need to hold them there at the top end. Jeek forgot his Top Gun license.
There's been a crash. Civil Aviation Authority will hear of this. It's a rocking shot of your bum, by the way. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Safe!
What happened, Guru?
I had it in sport mode for the sports.
Oh right, okay.
And it doesn't sense collisions when you're in sport.
What, like with things that are sneaking up on you, like massive bankings?
Yeah, it's fine. Survive.
I'm glad it's fine. Right, are you ready this time?
Born ready.
Right,
Are we ready now?
We ready?
yeah, go for it.
Send it.
I'm gonna say
Yeah.
that I thought Ben nearly had that because Stu had a massive strain, but then Ben had two little strains.
Yeah, he straightened a
And
couple of times
yeah,
and then he
Stu
nearly
was
cut the
miles
grass over there.
Yeah, Stu was miles ahead in the first.
Yeah.
So I think Stu is going through.
I think so.
Wait a minute. What are those? You just made it. Just through. Just through. Well done. Well done.
Fucked it.
You bloody had it as well.
Pressure
you
got
had
to
it
me.
right to the end, and you had a wee straighten
Aye.
in the middle channel, and then you had a big straighten up at the
Aye.
end. But you had it up till then. Christ, you beat the bloody STC winner nearly, but actually not at all. But never mind. Thanks anyway, Ben.
No worries.
Pressure! Don't be rubbish. Don't be rubbish. Don't be rubbish. You're the first man in After School Drift Club to take a bloody passenger, eh? You think you're going to win by that much? I'll have some extra weight as well. And he's a bit of a unit as well, so Christ, that's confidence, by the way. He's so confident, he's taking a passenger.
Seriously?
Yeah, and he's a big passenger as well. He thinks he's going to skin you that badly. Derek, come with me and let's judge.
I don't want to run. I'll just
So you're in
jaunt.
control. You have the send it button.
That'll do.
Yeah, so it's all at your mercy.
Yep, they'll just wait for me.
The power. So I can see that Drummond in his practice has decided to be lead. There he goes.
I am ready when you guys are.
Send it.
Two differing styles here.
I don't think the Nissan's doing that very well.
No, I didn't think it was that. I thought he'd be a lot better.
Nah.
Really?
His initiation was quite shallow.
Yeah. So I think they're swapping round. It looks like no, Rory is going to lead. He wants to lead. Right. Judged run number 1.
Ready when you guys are.
Here we go. Send it.
Oh, James, that was
Scrappy.
very scrappy.
Yeah. Again, the Nissan coming in shallow. I thought the VM had it closer, and then whatever happened here,
It all went quite
it
badly
suddenly
wrong
went,
at that point.
oh, we don't know who's going to win.
No, I'm saying that's a 7-3 to Rory on account of James's dive
Ready when
bomb
you guys are.
activities. So I'm ready.
inclined to agree because you know me.
Here we go.
Ready to go again?
Ready.
Send it. It's like two angry pit bulls trying to punch each other.
Yeah, neither of them look like they were trying to really do any drifting there.
There's a big ass straight in here, and it's like the initiate again.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that, but I think that was going to be a 5-5 because both were equally bad.
As opposed to
Yeah.
equally good.
Yeah, equally bad. Oh, it's just you! No, don't do that! No! It's not that good! No!
Shouldn't have had the
James,
ballast.
to be honest, that wasn't too bad. I expected better of Rory. If you hadn't straightened up at the end there,
Yeah.
then you would have had, I think it could have gone one more time. He had a slight advantage in the first.
Yeah.
But if it helps, you look a lot cooler than him. Nice Driftland shades. Thanks, buddy. You did win.
Did I win?
You did win, but
I'm going up Stu now.
yeah, you're going up against Stu. It's almost like I engineered that.
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
Hey, that was my first battle, and I
Right.
won my first
Yeah,
battle.
you did win your first battle in
Yeah.
an actual, real, genuine competition.
Yeah, sure.
Just be a bit better.
Just be a bit better.
Yeah, a bit better.
Okay.
Yeah, it's you and me, big man. Right,
There's the power right
that's
there.
the power,
Yeah,
that's the
right
button.
there.
The pleasure button.
Well,
One of many.
Right way, aye.
I'm ready if you are.
Why not?
Let's go.
Send it. whatever cobwebs he had in his first go.
Yeah, I think that's comfortable.
Yeah.
That was another 7.3, I think. Just so much distance between
Yeah.
them.
Coming off the first the initiation, you know what I mean? He just had too much.
Yeah, too much, and he never
He
got
got
it back.
closer when it started getting tighter, but by that time the damage was done.
Exactly. Right, I'm ready if you are for the final battle 2.
Send it. That was much better, much closer.
You're right, that was a battle, mate. You're right. I've got my new judge. Got my new judge.
Just give him the button.
I think we know who that was. It's going to be doubles too.
Yeah.
But that was not too bad a battle. Good battle.
It was
Let's
much
go.
better than the second run.
What did he like?
Oh, well done, 3 people. Hey, oh, nobody cares. Well done. Gracious in defeat, but I would say that was a proper battle that time.
That was awesome.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
You did a really nice solid lead run.
Thank you.
Basically, come and do STC, I think.
Yeah, I think I will.
That's good.
Yeah.
You stepped up after like 2 runs there, so good. Well done.
Awesome.
That was better. Actual driving that time. That was much better. You nearly put on too much angle in your chase though, but good old S54 got you out of it. Good. Nice one. Well done, mate. Just a hunky silhouette of Jack the Plumber. Bloody Jack the Plumber, there he is. Woo!
Waiting to give you some cash.
Cash, good.
Cash. See that on camera?
Aircraft will return home in 9 seconds.
Where's the aircraft? Why is the aircraft not returning?
God, no, land.
Where's it going?
Land.
Does it land?
Just land. Cancel.
Why is it beeping?
It's running out of battery, but it won't let me land.
Why is he not landing?
Cancel. Return to home.
Lands right now.
Nope, there he goes. Maybe. Nope. Get on the ground, you. Oh.
16% battery left.
Yeah.
First exterior crash out of the way, didn't damage it. I knew it was crashing as soon as I touched the controller. I was
Amazing.
like, oh, that wasn't the right thing to do. Crash you. So, yeah, you got some crash footage.
Good. Thanks very much. Good. I've enjoyed the fact our new subscribers got to see that as well.
Yeah. So, hello all the new subscribers who came because they think
Hello.
the Grand Tour were bad to us.
They were though.
We got lots of new subscribers off the back of that, so thanks Grand Tour for that at least, I suppose.
One good thing.
One good thing. So yeah, if you like this video, do a little share, subscribe, comment, like, thumbs up, all the normal YouTubey things.
And me and you will leave a silly reply to it if you have a comment.
Yeah,
So
we
that's
reply to every comment, unless, yeah, every
good. I
comment.
think so. We
Test
try.
me.
We try.
Test me.
Test him. A man of his word.
Test me.
Or is he just as bad as the Grand Tour? Bye!
Glenn's an arsehole.